Welcome to this tutorial on how to download a KML or KMZ file and convert it into a shapefile. In this video, we'll guide you through each step to ensure a clear and concise process. Let's get started. Finding a reliable data source. The first step is to find a reliable data source that provides KML or KMZ files for download. There are many websites and platforms available, but for this tutorial, we'll be using Google Earth Pro. Once you've found the desired location, navigate to it. Draw carefully and follow these steps. It's a good practice to create a dedicated folder for your KML files to keep them organized. After clicking the Save As option, choose a location on your computer where you want to save the KML or KMZ file. To work with the KML file, you need a GIS software. In this tutorial, we'll be using ArcGIS. Open the software and make sure you have a new project. Depending on the size and complexity of your KML or KMZ file, the conversion process may take some time. Please be patient and avoid closing the conversion tool or interrupting the process.